Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to learn how to draw an anime face in the front view. Nothing complicated. I'll keep it super simple. Well, start the basic head shape, build the structure, then slowly add the features and colors. Step by step, nice and easy. And yeah, I am using a XP pen tablet for this. It smooths, the pen feels really natural when we are drawing. But don't worry, whatever your tablet you have is totally fine. Before we jump in, make sure you have installed the Krita. If you're not yet, just pause the video. I'll be waiting on the other side. Alright, cool. Let's get started. Let's open up Krita. Once it's loaded, you'll see an option on the left side called New Page. Go ahead and click that. Now we need to set our canvas size as usually with 1920 for a width and 1080 for a height. A nice clean HD workspace, and the resolution I set as 300. That keeps everything sharp if you want explore later. Once you're done, adjust all that, just hit create. Your Canva is ready. Let's move on to the next step. See, it's fine. It's looking good right now, but we can reduce little bit, like 5. Yeah, I think it will be correct. Yeah, let's start it again. Yeah, it's look really fine, but you need to make sure it could be a little more big. Mm, how about it? Yeah, looks really good. Next, we'll change the shape to free and path. It will match correctly to the according to that thing. And then we will set this to horizontal mirror tool. It will mirror the opposite side also, like I will show you here. Yeah, and I will change into darker size. Could be more visible for you. Yeah, make sure you explore the Krita. Like you can able to see and search the tools. What are the available things like brushes and these things. You will start with that thing. Before we are going to start, I need to make sure like the points where we are going to get through it. Like yeah, I not yet finished. We will change to Docker. Like yeah. So we'll just separate the lines first. It could be more easier to understand what we are trying to do. It's fine. I think so. Yeah. Then we will make up the guidelines for the eye. A third, the way bottom of the circles. I'll show here. Just put here. Could be more. It should not be more accurate like we are trying to do now. Will be get through easily. We are beginner, so we need to learn step by step so that we can able to understand what we are doing. I think look it's perfect. Yeah. Uh, Next, we'll also put a line under here, like we can able to see how it's exactly connects to the face. Yeah, this way we are going to monitor. Like we will connect here to here. Could be more easier. Let me show how it's done. Mm, yeah, see exactly we are pointing out. Mm, change to layer and I selected this both. After then right click. Uh, Sorry guys, my mouse pad is somehow damaged. Match with the layer below. It will match the layer automatically. We can see here. See? Yeah, it's good right now. Then we will remove these points after finishing. This is how the basic thing has been done. This is part 1. We will continue on the part 2 to draw the eyes, hairs and nose something. Yeah, this is how this thing has done. We will just put it the comments what we can try to improve the things. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel to let it know the other videos comes. Thank you.